Okay, hi guys. So this little video is about position and displacement vectors and the difference between the two. So a position vector just tells you where a point or where a vector goes relative to the origin. So for example, if we've got the vector A, 3i plus 2j, that's what I've got here. So if you think, compared to the origin, which is here, coordinate A is across 3 and up 2. Similarly, the vector B, let's have a different color for that. Down here, it's 6i take away 3j. So when you go from the origin, if you went 6 units across and 3 units down, you'd end up at the point B. Right, so position vectors are kind of like coordinates. They just tell you where a point is. Now, a displacement vector just tells you how you get from one point to another. So let's, for example, say we're talking about the displacement vector AB. We want to know how far across and how far vertically we've traveled going from A to B. And we can do it by counting squares. So let's just see what that should end up as. So AB is 1, 2, 3 squares across. So it's 3 to the right. And it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. If I write that as a vector, it'll be, 3i take away 5j. Or if you prefer, we can get it like this, 3 minus 5 in a column. Now there's a way of properly working this out. So we don't really want to be relying on drawing a diagram every time we do this. So what we'll do instead is we'll follow this calculation here. Right? To work out any displacement vector, we just take one position away from the other and it'll be b minus a. So the value of b, 6i minus 3j, let's write that in. And I'll write it in a column because I like a column. So it'll be 6i take away 3j, that's b. I'm going to work out that minus a now. So b minus a, the brackets a bit bigger there. A is 3 and 2, for I and j respectively. If I take away the individual parts, 6 take away 3 is 3, minus 3 take away 2 is minus 5. And that matches up to what I had when I did it geometrically. Great. Now, if you try this one, I'll give you a hint with this. The answers that you should have, I'll just give you the answers and then you can see if you get there. The answers that you should have are 6 minus 12 and minus 6, 12. I can't remember which one's which off the top of my head, but you're going from 2 points, x and y. I'll draw roughly where they are on the diagram too. So x is roughly here, y is roughly there. We should be able to work out which one's which from this actually. So x is negative horizontal but positive vertical. So that's xy, and then this one's yx. So same answers, just reversing the signs there. There we go. Try that one, see how you get on.